Good morning, boys and girls. Here we are with writing. We're going to finish up our Beat the Heat article. So you guys worked really hard in typing up notes and paraphrasing your article with information that's going to help you answer your prompt or essential question. Okay, so what you're going to do today is you're going to now get to use your notes and paraphrasing and answer your question in a paragraph form. Okay, so now today's the day where you will get to actually answer this question. These notes and paraphrasing are there for you to use to help you with answering your question. So you already did a lot of the work to answer this question. Now you just have to put it all together, okay, in a short constructed paragraph response. So what I want to do first is I want to show you. So this is Ellie's. I just pulled hers up for a minute. And she has her question, her paraphrasing, and her notes. And what she's going to do, and what you are all going to do, is you're going to go to the bottom of your page, and then you can start typing your response. Okay? So we don't have so many docs open. I didn't create a new one for this. You're just going to use the same doc and just start typing below your notes and your paraphrasing. Okay? Now, how would Ellie start this? I'll give you a minute to think. How would she start this? Hopefully, you guys said that she needs to have an opening, right? There's many different ways that we've learned throughout the year that you can open up your short response or your story, okay? We can restate the question. What do we want to do first, right? We want to introduce the reader to what we're going to be talking about. Okay, so we have to have that opening. So then Ellie will start typing her opening and then adding her paraphrasing notes into her response and then add her closing. Okay, I'm going to go over the rubric with you guys just so you know the way that you would be graded. Okay, if you look at this is grade 3, extended response expectations. We did go over this before, but I'm just going to remind you, and I will have a copy of this for you to go back and look at after you're done your writing, so you can go through and check off and make sure all of these, you were able to do all of these things. Okay, so comprehension of key ideas and details. Demonstrates accurate and full comprehension of the ideas. Okay, so did you understand? Does your answer make sense? Is it correct? Does it match the question that you're being asked? Okay. Development. Did you address the prompt, which is that question? Does your work address the prompt? I'm not going to read this word for word. Text-based evidence, okay? Description, details, describing, okay? So that's that development piece. You have your text evidence, and are you explaining why you're using that text evidence? Organization, meaning is it organized, right? And that's your paraphrasing, and your notes really help you with this organization piece. Okay, does it include an introduction? Does it include a conclusion? Clarity of language. Did you use those linking words and phrases or the time words that we've talked about all year long? For example, for instance, use descriptive words. We talk a lot about, making our writing interesting. Okay. And then, of course, down here, if you see the language and conventions, that's just making sure that you spelled all of your words to the best of your ability. You have capital letters where they should be. You have end marks and periods and punctuation where they should be as well. Making sure that the information is clear, that Miss Rhodes and whoever reads it can understand your writing, okay? So I'll have this attached with your to-do list and materials for you to go back and to look at, okay? So what you're going to do today is you are just simply, like I said, going to respond to your prompt now in a paragraph form, okay? Following all of the things that the rubric asks you to do, okay? Of course, when you're finished, right? Like I said, you're going to use this doc, go all the way to the bottom, and just start typing your response. All right, you're going to use all the things that you guys have learned throughout the year to help you with writing your response. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. I don't think that I am. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. All right. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.